What's up, world? This is Truth or Lie Thursdays. This question says, God used Babylon to bring a judgment on Israel. So why couldn't he use the deists and the Masons to bring a judgment on the Native Americans? I actually do believe that America is part of last days Babylon. So the thing about that is God can use Babylon to punish other nations, but the thing is that God also punishes the punisher, especially when that punisher oversteps their boundaries. Every nation does reap what they sow, you know. So any nation is going to reap what they sow. Any person, any people is going to reap what they sow. But oftentimes, you know, just because you're used as a punisher doesn't mean it's a good thing. It actually just means that your punishment is coming swiftly. And, you know, it's kind of like Cain. You know, Cain was a murderer. He's the first murderer. And God put a mark on him that whoever retaliated against him will be punished sevenfold. And so just because God retaliates or God uses you to punish other people doesn't mean that you're that's necessarily a good thing for you, because you may just be wicked yourself. So I mean, that could be good. That answer could definitely be true. That could be a situation where God used, you know, America to bring judgment on Native Americans, but that's not a kingdom thing. You know, the gospel of Christ is to bring the gospel. The kingdom of the church of the Lord Jesus Christ is to bring the gospel, and not necessarily to just try to punish nations. And so, yeah, Babylon does that, but Babylon also reaps what it sows.